Hi everybody, so today I'm going to attempt to repair this Motorola Xplay phone. There is a fault with the battery on it, doesn't last very long and constantly needs to be charged and just shuts down for no reason. I've ordered a battery off of eBay, came with the tool for installing it. However, I have tried to install this battery previously and found that the screws that join the two halves of the phone together are seized in location. So I'm going to attempt to break the phone to change the battery and repair it to best as it can be. I'll bring you along on this this job, see how we get along. So the first thing we need to do is remove the back of the phone. Then this exposes the screws located here all the way around the phone. I said I have attempted to remove some of these and some of these are seized. At that point I stopped doing it, and at the time the battery was still usable, so yeah, it's best to have a phone that was usable, but at this point it's pretty much unusable, so we're going to remove as many screws as we can. That one didn't come out. So I've had a go at removing them with this tool. It seems that they're all pretty much rounded out, but I think it's the tip of this tool that is the problem. I think where it's been used in the past it has damaged the tip. So what I'm going to do is just use a grinder and just grind the tip of the screwdriver away so that we've got proper area there now. So I've ground down the tip of the tool with the Dremel, and now we are able to remove, or managed to remove one of the screws. Two of the screws. I'll carry on with this and see how far we get. Yeah, that's the SIM card. So, the thing to watch for is the switches fall out, which I'm just going to tip out there. Those can be put in once everything goes back together, so as long as I locate them, we'll be good. So, this is the moment of truth. Have we got the right battery? Well, battery looks the right size, however this is, I believe, the NFC module, and we're going to have to debond that from the old battery and fit that to the new one. that disconnected, and then the battery cable. There we go, it's the battery disconnected. The battery will be bonded into the phone, so I'll need to pry the battery out. This may be difficult. Again, I'm going to use plastic because I don't want to split the pack. There we go, all battery out. So that's the NFC swapped across. Well, that's the battery connected, and that's the NFC connected. Like I said, these switches can come in a bit later, so we don't need to refit those straight away. So that's all the screws in now, and I don't know whether you can see these holes here. The power buttons simply, and volume buttons simply just push in like So there we go, power button in, and it's powering on, so that's a good start. So that's all connected up to the charger, and as you can see the battery is charging, so that was a successful repair. I'd like to take this time to say thank you for watching, and to see more videos like this please like and subscribe, and I'll continue to make more.